My wife and I moved back to Texas and we needed more storage, and so we got the most wonderful company to install and custom make this shed. We have a lot of Christmas decorations and that type of stuff, and we wanted to not have it in our garage, and we wanted something that looked aesthetically pleasing in the backyard. So we customized this shed with dormers and extra door and put little thought into how we wanted it to look. We were looking at getting a kit from and the reviews were horrible. The wood was twisted, parts were missing, and the cost difference wasn't that much different. It was pretty much, by the time you got a Costco shed, it didn't come with shingles, it didn't come with the paint, and then you're getting a crew to install it that doesn't know what they're doing. So my wife found quality sheds, and we said, well, let's take a look at it and see how that goes. And it went really well. We drove out. We thought we'd look at what they had. They had about 150 sheds on their lot. We looked at a couple. We showed a picture of what we wanted, and basically went inside, talked to Sam. Sam goes, well, I can get you a quote. And I go, well, we can come back. And he goes, well, I can get it in 15 minutes. And we customized it in literally 30 minutes. And he gave us a price. We agreed on the price, and it was so smooth. Then we called, because it takes about 30 days. They got to cut all the wood, build some of it on their property, and then they bring it all out and install it on concrete. It was flawless, literally flawless. I would recommend quality sheds every day. You know, they are, it took them 3 days to install it, paint it, just a wonderful experience. There were no change orders. It was everything that we got came exactly the way I expected it to look.